Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at the market rundown heading into Thursday, February 9th. So the S&P 500 bulls showed up again, and we are on the verge of an all-time high. A new support level to watch is the low of today, 2285. The middle Bollinger Band is still holding, and the bulls just need to break 2301 to get a new all-time high, and we're very close, on the verge of a bullish MACD cross. Weekly time frame, very tight range the first 3 trading days, but all momentum right now is in the bulls' favor. Again, when we have a chart like this, we need the bears to prove to us their strength, and right now they are not doing that because we're seeing nothing but higher lows, and the bulls are able to maintain and recover, and we're very rarely seeing any closes near the low of the day. We've seen one close in 2017, right on the low of the day. Everything else has bulls buying the dip to some degree. IWM, weaker. Very key support here, 133.17, 133.12, 24, and now 89. So we do have some incremental higher lows, not nearly as much wiggle room as the S&P 500 bulls have, and the bulls have a clear lower high pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 lower highs now, the most recent being 136.98 that the bulls need to break to head back to the upside. And these Bollinger Bands in this channel still very, very tight and on the verge of a bullish MACD cross multiple times, but never enough momentum to follow through. The weekly time frame still holding exponential support, but if we close below 134.99 this week, we will lose that exponential support, and we'll be looking down at those 133.12 support levels that I just highlighted. QQQ, new all-time high. Very clearly the lead bull, and it keeps proving that. We've hit new all-time highs in the past month, probably more than 50% of the time. It's just a very strong bull. 126.68, new all-time high resistance, and a key support is the low of this pullback here, 123.85, which we are currently well above. Middle Bollinger Band hasn't been tested in forever. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band resistance, 126.80, worth watching as well. That's the only resistance to look at as we are blue sky breakout with very little slowing down these bulls. The technology sector, very strong, and we're seeing that showing here on QQQ. So S&P 500, two trading days left in the week. The bulls are just a blink away from an all-time high, and we'll see if they have that momentum to clinch that here before the end of the week and head into next week with some nice bull momentum. So there are plenty of individual names to be watching in terms of bullish closes here at the end of the day, and that is what has me leading to believe that we do see a new all-time high in the very near future. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.